UK really provides top quality education, and comparing to any other countries, UK is quite convenient and quite reasonable in terms of prices and living cost, and it also provide a very good standard of living as well. So yeah, that's why I'm choosing to go to the UK rather than any other country. Well, it was indeed simple, but it was actually a very long process and very intricate, and but the process itself is quite simple and straightforward. I found this agency from which I actually applied from. I got the news of this agency from one of my friend, and so yeah, I thought like it would be a good place to start. The journey was good. There were some hiccups here and there, but it got solved quite quick. So yeah, at the end it was all good. It was actually very good. The process was very quick, and all the work that needed to be done was done quite accordingly to what should have been. And yeah, I really recommend this agency for anyone who's willing to apply. I'm going to the Brunel University, London, and I'm doing my bachelor's in business and management.